Good afternoon to you. Tim here with Happy Trails. We are going to be putting a center stand on a 2022 KLR, and we want to thank Abby for the loan of his bike to do this center stand install. So we've got the box right here, and we're just going to get it opened and see what we have. Hardware kit. Oh, look at that, Christmas. Look at that puppy. That is really nice. Got a heavier duty kick on it than the earlier models. This part of the center stand up to here where the bolts go in are common parts. This kicker is different. The width is different in here. This part right here is this common part also, and then these are new brackets for the foot pegs. So okay, I've got everything unboxed, and we've got our 4 bolts. They're 8x40 flange head bolts, and not much hardware there. And then I am going to use some blue Loctite on these bolts, and so looks pretty simple and straightforward. So I'm going to pull the passenger peg off. There we go. Note the bracket that comes in under the frame, and there's a rubber mount here underneath the frame that isolates, and then it's also, you've got these rubber bushings in there that also isolate. So we'll set those bolts aside. I'm going to run over and pull off the other side real quick. Okay, I had Casey give me a little hand with holding the other side for me, and so got 3 bolts started. I'll go around and do the other bolt real quick. One thing you want to remember, I started on the other side. I didn't see that the side stand wasn't deployed. You got to have the side stand deployed. So there we are. Okay, one thing we want to do is I didn't catch it when I installed it, but you have the center stand up in place. So just leave that loose. Pull up the side stand, and we were just touching. So what you do with the side stand still loose, you just rotate it up in the back and tighten it in that position so that we have an air gap right in there. See, I can just put my pinky in and we got an air gap. And that is the correct placement of it. So, okay, these are 13 millimeter heads. I'm going to just run them up even. And I'm not going to do it in the video, but I should have already done it. I'm going to look up the torque spec for these, and we'll have that posted down in the comments and with the rest of it. So I'll just go look up those specs, and then we're done. We'll take this off the hoist here, and we'll go through and show you what it looks like with it all installed, but pretty simple deal. So thanks again to Abby for loaning his bike to us. We really appreciate it. Okay, here we go. Goes up nice and easy. The geometry on this turned out just perfect. Just gives you nice clearance everywhere. There. Gonna run these up just easy with the impact. A lot of you guys are gonna, well, I'm gonna get a different size socket.